Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on that, and then in that video I mentioned that to use the reflection in the real life scenario, you could do a tree and a pond. So I just vectorized a pond and a tree. I am going to show you just how cool this could be. I'm not very artistic, but if we go Control D and make a duplicate, while holding down the control button, if we mirror it, now we need to go to Object and Order and put it in the front of page. And then I would make I'd first of all nudge maybe that new tree up into the other tree. And then I would possibly make it a little bit darker green, maybe not that dark. And then what we did in the other video, with this selected, I can grab the transparency and I can start way up in here. And then I can adjust my transparency where it looks like just like a mirror image. You know, if you were going to print that on a t-shirt or something, and you could, yeah, I admit it'd be a lot cooler if I had the trunk brown and I just didn't take the time to manipulate my tree. But if the trunk was brown and the leaves were green, this would be pretty cool, and you can always change where it's starting from and where it's ending up. But this is the key right here to slide this bar and also this bar right here to make it less transparent, to make kind of like a reflection. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.